sure are.
We love this place, don't we?
Absolutely. And something new just opened, and we got to get in there, Sandy, and show off.
Yeah, let's go. This is very exciting.
So let's get ready to go on this What's New at Dollywood that just opened? Adventure That Rocks. A lot of people have been wanting this, and we can finally say the new knife making is open here at Dollywood. Sandy, let's go in and check it out.
We're going to see if we can take this side down. All right. Right there. And start working backwards in here. Back up. Right.
So if you're curious what those knife prices are, and all experiences include a knife, sheath, and certificate of authenticity.
Way to get a reservation to make your knife is to come directly to the shop. I would suggest doing it first thing in the morning. Get your time slot, and then come back.
Right, you cannot make a reservation online. You cannot make it for the next day. They clearly said you make it the day of.
I want you to kind of get it up in here and start heading that way. Just kind of like going.
That burns at 1800 degrees.
Right in here, get it flat down a little bit more.
From the moment they pull that blade out of there, it can drop 200 degrees by the time they get it over to the anvil in just a few seconds.
If you're afraid because you don't know what you're doing, do not worry. They are with you every step of the way.
Right, they're even at so much as they're going to tell you how hard to hit that blade with the hammer with each strike. Because believe it or not, it's at a different strength every time they pull it out.
All right, sir. Go ahead, hit her.
And I learned one very important tip.
Ooh, what's that?
If that blade drops at any time, don't pick it up.
Don't pick it up. Nah.
Or they told me, you will learn very quickly, you'll never pick that up again.
Never. Might not be able to pick anything else up again, too.
Right.
Yikes.
The knife that they're making right now is that railroad spike knife. One thing I noticed yesterday, and I wanted to point it out, the bolt knife for $29.99, we watched two people make it, and they did say that the handle was a little bit too small for their hand grip. So just wanted to point that out, that the larger sizes may be the way to go if you're an adult. Ready to get started? We got another tip we want to share with you about what I'm wearing.
And no flip-flops.
So as you can see from the gentleman here who just had his knife finished, an idea of that protective gear, the apron and the face mask up top.
So they do ask that you arrive 10 minutes before your reservation time.
They
Right
just-
inside.
Right. They just want to make sure that you got the safety gear ready to go.
Yep, and time for your appointment.
While we're in here, I noticed this grave site looking piece. Could this be a future prop for Great Pumpkin Luminite? I guess only time will tell.
Horseshoe. Very good, very good. And then the bolt. And then the bolt. Okay.
it was kind of a railroad spike.
It's the railroad spike. Okay.
Yeah, that was a railroad spike.
And that's the finished product you're gonna be taking home with you. Did you see the size of that railroad spike knife?
That was really big.
I'm pumped to
Really
put
big.
one in my pocket and take it home after
Yeah,
I make it.
But you can't. See, here's the thing. Is they're gonna put the package up front for you so that you're not carrying it around the park.
I guess because I'm a klutz and I could poke myself all right in the coasters.
Yeah.
That
you
makes
might
sense.
Poke himself in the eye. You never know.
But wait, there's something else that's new out here at Dollywood, right at the front of the park. They understand it's summer and it's hot out here. Want a cold sandwich? They got them right behind me.
And check it out. Sandwiches, $10.99. Gourmet salads even. That's fantastic. And you just open up and help yourself. Turkey and cheese. Let's see, I see a ham and cheese. Oh, this is the place to try and have a sandwich.
And before we leave Dollywood, look who we ran into, the Wandering Weasel. If you haven't checked their channel out, what are you waiting for? They must cover more food places and different things in this area than even us.
Wow, how fun and cool is that? What a learning opportunity for kids and adults.
Yeah, there was a lot I didn't know,
Yeah.
and so cool to watch that process being done.
Yeah, from step 1, 2, 3, who knew? But now you can.
And we want to thank Lane, who was in there explaining the whole process to me, and just thank Dollywood as a whole for always coming up with new experiences for everyone to enjoy out here.
Yes, thank you.
As we always say, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button yet,
What are you waiting for?
because you never know where we're going to end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those where you may be knife making, an adventure that rocks.